Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. In today's business climate, being efficient and effective in your workflows is more important than ever. One way to optimize your workflow is to conduct a life cycle analysis, LCA. LCA can help you identify and assess the environmental impact of your company's products or services at every stage of their development. This type of analysis can be beneficial for a variety of reasons. It can help you improve your product or service while also reducing your company's environmental footprint. Additionally, conducting an LCA can give you a competitive edge by helping you create a more sustainable business model. If you're considering conducting an LCA for your business, follow on this video to learn more about the process and what it can do for your company. 1. To improve their products or services. The process of life cycle assessment, LCA, is growing in popularity with businesses seeking to continually improve the products and services they offer to their customers. Companies undertake the rigorous LCA process for a myriad of reasons, one such goal being to identify opportunities to enhance the sustainability of their products or services, from raw material sourcing through end-of-life recycling or disposal. From their analysis, companies can make changes in production processes that would reduce energy use, waste generation and environmental impact over the full life cycle of their product or service. It is widely accepted that this in turn brings tangible business benefits such as cost savings, improved employee engagement and customer satisfaction. 2. To understand the environmental impact of their products or services. Life cycle assessments, LCA, are an important tool companies use to understand the environmental impact of their products or services. By evaluating all aspects of a product, from raw material extraction to end-of-life disposal, LCAs are able to provide a comprehensive picture of a product's sustainability with regard to energy consumption, resource usage, and waste production. Companies use LCA results to inform decisions about the design and manufacture of materials and products more effectively, ultimately leading to the creation of items that are more sustainable for our planet. 3. To find ways to reduce the environmental impact of their products or services. Companies that seek to be leaders in sustainability often invest time and energy into conducting a life cycle assessment, LCA, for their products or services. An LCA looks at the entire lifespan of a product, from raw material extraction all the way to disposal, to assess its effects on the environment. Companies use this information to identify areas where they can make positive changes that lead to an overall reduction in their products or services' environmental impact. This helps them not just meet corporate sustainability goals, but also drives innovation, increases customer loyalty, and boosts their competitive advantage in the market. 4. To communicate their environmental performance to stakeholders. Life cycle assessment, LCA, is an important tool for companies to proactively communicate their environmental performance and impact to stakeholders. LCA is important both in the short-term and long-term sustainability strategy development, as it provides a comprehensive snapshot of environmental footprint at each stage of a product's life cycle. Through this process, companies can identify processes where resource efficiencies and substitution opportunities can be more sustainable and illustrate effective design changes that have an immediate environmental impact. It also helps inform a company's decision-making throughout their supply chain and operations, spurring greater innovation while also providing increased transparency and environmental performance to stakeholders. 5. To meet regulatory requirements. Conducting life cycle assessments, LCA, is an important part of many companies' operations, and they often do it to meet regulatory requirements. LCA is useful due to its comprehensive assessment of a product's entire lifespan, including the extraction of raw materials, product development and manufacturing, transportation, use, and disposal. Companies use this information to understand their impact on the environment and optimize their processes in order to be more sustainable. LCA is also highly regulated in certain areas, so in order for these organizations to adhere to standards set by governing bodies or regulatory authorities, conducting an LCA is essential. With an understanding of not only current but also potential environmental impacts throughout a product's life cycle, companies can identify ways to reduce any negative consequences, which benefits everyone involved. Many companies commission an LCA study for one or more of the following 5 reasons: to improve their products or services, to understand the environmental impact of their products or services, to find ways to reduce the environmental impact of their products or services, to communicate their environmental performance to stakeholders, or to meet regulatory requirements. In some cases, A company may have several motivations for conducting an LCA. Regardless of the reasons behind it, an LCA can provide valuable insights that a company can use to make improvements. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.